Hi guys, welcome to Instagram. In this video, we are discussing the BHC-011 paper. And before starting this, I want to share something because we are providing different kind of services related to the IGNOU. So you can contact us anytime because we provide assignments of a PDF and the handwritten assignment also, previous year solve papers, gas paper, project, and many more. So first of all, you can see here this is the diploma in event management. If you are doing this diploma, and this is the 2025 January 2026 sessions, and for this last date of this assignments are 31st March and July to the 2025. So you can contact us anytime because we are here for help you. So you can see this is the question paper in which there are this is the 100 marks paper. So you can contact us anytime for the help, so you can help out this number. The number is given below. Number is 90009368238. You can contact us on this number, and you can tell us about your what are you looking for, and accordingly we will provide all the services. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the WhatsApp.